Today I'm going to show you how to use the advanced search in Asana. Okay, so you're looking for something and you just can't find it. Well, guess what? Asana has a search function and they have an advanced search function. So let's say you've got hundreds of tasks with thousands of projects, lots of things going on, and you're just looking for one particular little thing. Guess what? You can find it. Click on the search bar right at the top over here and you can start narrowing this down. So let's say you are just literally looking for a task that is named task 3. Bam, you're going to find it. But let's say you're looking for something a little bit more detailed. Let's say it's not actually a search item. Let's say that it is a task or a project or a person or a portfolio or a goal. Click on more. Maybe it's a message. Maybe it's a chat that you had with somebody. Maybe it's a tag. Maybe it's a template. Go ahead, you filter it out by that. You can also see there's some recent over here, but then there's also the advanced search, and that's what we're going into. Here, you can choose the type, as we said earlier on. You can also include subtasks, milestones, approvals. Then, where is it located? Is it located literally anywhere? You can go ahead and choose where you'd like to search for it. Also, the status. Is it complete? Is it incomplete? Is it deleted? Because it's not completely deleted. It's still on your account. Who has it been assigned to? What is the due date? Many options. Who are the collaborators? You can then also add filters, dependencies, custom fields. Does it have attachments? Does it not? Dates, creation dates, modification dates, start dates, completion dates, different types of tags, different types of people. Go ahead, filter all of that out. Once you've filtered all of that out, you will probably be able to find what you're looking for. You'll have maybe at tops 3 results, and one of them will be exactly what you're looking for. That's how you use Asana's advanced search function.